Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arista Wirawan. I'm the partner system engineer. Today I will present you ISA500. ISA500 is the integrated security appliance for the small and medium businesses. This is the agenda for today. So I'm going to demonstrate you some of the capability of the ISA500. What is ISA500? ISA500 is the integrated security appliance designed for the small, medium businesses, for the employer less than 250 employees. It is a multi-thread protection in one single box. And it is easy to manage, to provisioning, and to deploy. And it is powered by the Cisco Security Intelligent Operation. What is Unified Threat Management? Besides the traditional firewall, the business-grade firewall and VPN, ISA500 is not only the firewall. It has the email filtering to stop the spam email. Next, it has the intrusion prevention system to detect and stop any malware activity in the network. It has the web URL filtering to block website based on the category. And also we have web reputation filtering to block the users from accessing any malicious or dangerous website. ISA500 not only firewall, it is a comprehensive, a complete security solution for the small businesses. This slide is to summarize the features of the ISA500. On the left side, we have secure remote access for the branch office to connect back to the headquarters using the site-to-site VPN. We also have the mobile worker that will be able to connect by VPN to the company. In the middle, we have the internet, whereby the ISA500 protect the intranet from the internet threat, such as hacker and malware. I will demonstrate to you later on the web threat protection, web URL filtering, and application control. On the right side, we have the intranet. The ISA500 is not only protect the user from the internet, but also protect internally using what we call zone-based firewall. We create the zone for each group of user or function. Then we can define and enforce policy for each of the zone. Security intelligence operation. How the ISA500 knows what is the dangerous or malicious website. How the ISA500 knows what is the email server that sending the spam email. The ISA500 receive updates from the Security Intelligence Operation SIO every 5 minutes for the web URL filtering. Usage scenario. This is one typical of the network whereby we have main office and remote office. They are connecting using the site-to-site VPN. And we have home office that also provide the secure connectivity to the main office. And we also has the mobile user that connect using the VPN client to the main office. This is the example of the case of the ISA500. So on the first example, we have the company that subscribe to 2 internet service provider. We can configure the loads balancing between ISP1 and ISP2. And the ISA also can support failover. So we can configure ISP1 as the active and ISP2 as a standby. It also supports the PBR, policy-based routing, to define which route that we want to choose for the specific machine or laptop or server. The second example is the zone-based firewall. We define 3 different zones, and each zone has different security policy. For example, we can allow the management group to access the finance server, but we do not allow, we block the contractor to access the finance server. The third example is a company that have office in 3 different countries. They are running voice over IP over the VPN. So we have 3 side-to-side VPN running between the office, and we have IP telephony in the branch office and the PABX on the headquarters. The last example, whereby we have the local stores that provide the hotspot service for their customers. So they give the internet access for the customer, but at the same time it also provides secure connectivity, separate SSID, so the guest will not able to access to the employer networks or the servers and internal network. Product offering. We have two model of the ISA500. It is ISA550 and ISA570. Each of them has the wireless and non-wireless model. The ISA570 has double performance compared with the ISA550. It has the security acceleration hardware. The ISA500 has 7 unified threat management features. I will demonstrate to you 3 features. So all these 7 features plus any connect VPN client is managed only by one security license. This is the product SKU of the ISA500. We have 1 year and 3 year subscription. The pricing is including the hardware itself, the software subscription for the 7 features, and warranty for 1 year. The next one, I'm going to demonstrate the features of the ISA500. The first demonstration, I will show you what we call web reputation. There is 3 malicious websites which is trying to imitate YouTube. The second one is web filtering. We have 60 plus categories. I will block some of the categories such as social networking, job search, and news. And the third one, what we call application control. We are going to block some of the non-business applications such as BitTorrent, Yahoo, Messenger, and Skype. Let me show you the web configuration. This is the Configuration utility of the ISA500. We have 7 security services. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the services that I saw you earlier. So first one, I will demonstrate the web reputation. So we have youtube.com. I have the site, the malware domain list, where all consists of the malicious website. Let me browsing to YouTube. This is YouTube. So there's some other website that is not YouTube. So this website has been identified as a malicious site and blocked by the ISA500. Another one is this one. Is not YouTube. So same, this website also has been identified as the malicious site and cannot be accessed from the networks, blocked by the SA500. The second one is web filtering. Sorry, I forgot to show you. This is the web reputation filtering. I've already turned on to block the malicious website. The second one is web URL filtering. We can block website based on the category. So in this example, I will block job search, news, and social networking. Okay, before that, I will show you the website status. So I can access Facebook, LinkedIn, then let's try JobsDB. Can access JobsDB. CNN. So now I can access all these websites. So I added the policy just now to block job search, news, and social networking. So I click save to install the new policy. Then I go to the zone and I apply the policy to the zone. I click save. Okay, so it may take some time for the appliance to apply. Let's try Facebook. Okay, so now Facebook has been blocked. The category is social networking. Then we try LinkedIn. LinkedIn also has been blocked. Category also social networking. Then we try JobsDB. Is still able to access. Let me open using another browser. Let me try JobsDB. So JobsDB has been blocked because of job search. So sometimes they are still able to access because of the cache. So we need to close the browser or use another browser. Another one may be monster.com.sg. So it also has been blocked because the category job search. Then we try CNN.com. Just now we try. So CNN has been blocked. Category news. Or the other one is bbc.com or .co.uk. This is maybe not news. So bbc.com is category as news. So this is how the URL has been blocked. So just want to show you the category again. So we have 60 plus category to choose. Okay. So the next one is what we call application control. I have 3 applications installed. The first one is the torrent. This is a peer-to-peer application usually used to download huge files. So I start my torrent, so it start to download. This is the speed. Then I have Yahoo Messenger. It's running now. And then the third one, I have Skype online. So I'm going to block these three applications. So I go to the application control. I add the policy, block application. So I can choose for instant messaging. I can block the whole instant messaging. I can just choose only to block Yahoo Messenger. I block Yahoo Messenger. And then peer-to-peer, the torrents is inside peer-to-peer BitTorrent. Okay, and then the next one I want to block is Skype, so I can do like this also, Skype. So I can block the voice over IP including Skype. Okay, so now I apply. The status is green, so I can call. So depend on the application, sometimes it will take a few minutes before the connection, the existing connection will be timed out. So all of them still alive. So operation succeeded. So the second step is to apply the application control policy to the zone. So in this case, I change default policy to the new policy, block apps. Then click save. Okay, operation succeed. So let's see what happened is now the Yahoo Messenger is immediately down, but for the BitTorrent it may take some time before the application off. Then Skype already offline, I cannot make call anymore. And then for BitTorrent, let me create another one. I try to download. So for the new connection, it is no longer able to connect. So this one may take some time. So let me remove this one first. So if I create the new one, the same torrent, so we can see the speed, the download speed and the upload speed is nothing. So it cannot create the new session. This one cannot log in. and this one the status is cannot be online. I cannot make call. So if I sign out, then I try to log in, I may not able to log in. So it's like waiting. Then we can see the log. We can go to the status, security services report, and we can go to the application control. Then we see what is being blocked. So like BitTorrent. So I also has this is my IP address and my MAC address. So it blocked Skype and all these application. For the web security, okay, so this is the website that was blocked previously. BBC, CNN, DocsDB, Facebook, yeah, Facebook has been blocked. And also I want to show you, I have configured the email address on the appliance. So it's a Gmail. So after that, the ISA500 send me the alert, application control alert from my Gmail to show that BitTorrent has been blocked, Skype has been blocked, Skype, Yahoo Messenger again, and so on. And it also can send me a syslog, whereby it's more complete. So by seeing the syslog, I know what time and what category. So it blocked Skype, what the IP address and the detail of the port number, voice over IP. Okay, with this I ended my presentation. Is there any question?